Unleashing the power of effective project management. Office Day. A bustling office filled with project managers and team members. Posters on the walls display inspirational quotes about success and teamwork. Int. Conference Room Day. A project management team, led by James, gathers around a table. They are discussing their latest venture, a cutting-edge software development project called InnovateX. Alright, team, let's dive into the project plan for InnovateX. Our goal is to revolutionize the tech industry with this software. We need to ensure that every step is executed flawlessly. Sarah, a seasoned project manager, raises her hand. Sarah James, before we begin, I suggest conducting a comprehensive project analysis. We need to understand the market trends, identify potential risks, and assess the feasibility of the project. James, excellent suggestion, Sarah. Let's initiate a thorough market research process to align our strategy with current trends. We'll also create a risk management plan to proactively tackle any obstacles. Int. Market Research Department Day. The project team collaborates with market researchers to analyze customer needs, competitor analysis, and market demands. They gather valuable insights to shape their project plan. Int. Conference Room Day. The team reconvenes, armed with market insights and potential risks. James, based on the market research, we've identified specific customer pain points. Our software will focus on addressing those pain points effectively. However, we must remain agile throughout the project's lifecycle to adapt to changing customer needs. Lisa, a creative project manager, interjects. Lisa, in order to maintain agility, I suggest adopting an iterative project management approach like Agile. It will allow us to break down the project into smaller, manageable tasks, foster collaboration, and enable quick adaptation to any changes. James, great suggestion, Lisa. Let's implement Agile methodology for InnovateX. It will help us deliver a high-quality product on time. Int. Project Planning Room Day. The team collaborates on a large whiteboard, mapping out the project phases, milestones, and tasks. They create a detailed project schedule with specific deadlines and assign responsibilities to team members. Int. Team Collaboration Area Day. The project team members gather in an open workspace, fostering communication, creativity, and cooperation. They engage in daily stand-up meetings to provide progress updates, identify potential roadblocks, and share knowledge. Int. Software Development Area Day. Developers work together, coding and building the InnovateX software. They conduct regular code reviews, perform automated tests, and maintain a version control system to ensure code quality and traceability. Int. Quality Assurance Lab Day. Quality assurance testers rigorously test the software, identifying and reporting any bugs or functional issues. They collaborate closely with developers to resolve any issues promptly. Int. Project Status Review Day. The project team gathers for a status review meeting. They assess the project's progress, comparing it against the initial plan, and discuss any deviations or challenges. James team, we're doing great so far, but we need to ensure our project aligns with the business objectives. Let's conduct a thorough review to evaluate if we're on track and make any necessary adjustments. Int. Executive Boardroom Day. The project team presents their progress and findings to the executive stakeholders, including the CEO and department heads. They showcase the software's features, demonstrate its value, and highlight its potential impact on the market. Int. Office Day. Months pass, and the team successfully delivers the InnovateX software. The office buzzes with excitement as they celebrate their achievement. James, congratulations, team. We've successfully completed the InnovateX project. Our meticulous project management, agile approach, and collaborative efforts have paid off. This project sets a benchmark for future endeavors. The team members exchange high fives and smiles, proud of their accomplishment.